quick, spontaneous weddings aren't too rare in this day and age, which is a little sad, but now some couples can end their marriage in just a weekend. A Dutch entrepreneur has created the Divorce Hotel to accommodate growing divorce rates.
Here's how it works. Guests and their spouses check into one of the 6 hotels. They are married when they check in, and if all goes according to plan, they actually leave the place divorced.
Wow.
Creator Jim Halfens joins us now on the line from Amsterdam. So, Jim, where did this idea come from to do this?
Yeah, the idea came completely from me because I experienced also with some friends some divorces, and I was thinking it's incredible that divorces are so incredibly expensive, and it takes so much time, and it's only focusing on negativity. And I was thinking, this should be possible in another way, a cheaper way and a faster way. And if they come to us, we do it in 3 days.
3 days, wow. So what's the process for couples staying at the Divorce Hotel? Walk us through what happens from the time they get there till the time they leave. Well, we know what happens once they leave, but what happens during their stay?
You can imagine, of course, that not everybody is suitable to go in the hotel. If you're fighting all day, it's no use to go into our hotels. But what we do is we have first an intake conversation, and we define a little bit if they are suitable to go. Because if it's not working out at all, nobody has helped if they go in. So if we say, okay, you are positive enough and you can go in, you come in on Friday, you get a sort of complete customized program. And on Sunday you will leaving by signing the divorce papers and you are divorced.
Now, when you talk about, Jim, suitable candidates, I'm curious what that means. I mean, you're saying people who don't argue, but I mean, we know that divorces can often be very messy when there are children involved, when there is money involved, lots of different things to consider. So I guess your candidates have to be almost reconciled to this happening, and they're willing to negotiate on the fly, so to speak.
Yeah, they have to agree a little bit on our philosophy, and that's very important. Well, if you look to our philosophy, we say the marriage was not a big success. We can say that because you want to split up, and that's very negative. That's emotional. We can change that. We are not stimulating people to go into a divorce, but if they are agreeing with us and saying, okay, if the marriage, that's negative, but if we split up, we want to do it in a positive way, and I wish my ex-partner, my future ex-partner, a new future and also a prosperous future, and then you are suitable.
Jim, I'm guessing there's not a lot of breakable things in your hotel rooms, but legally, how does this work?
Literally, if they arrive.
Legally,
yeah.
How does it work?
And of course, and everybody wants to know if they sleep on one room or two or separate rooms, and how goes that all? Of course, everybody wants to know that, and I can tell you a little bit. If they arrive on the Friday, they get a check-in, they get the first chat with the mediator. She's in charge of the process, and she will find out if we expect some problems, if it's still possible or not. And then the custom-made program starts. But a lot of people think it's hard working, and they are busy for a whole day. And of course, they can go out to the hotel for a while to do a walk or something. But it's heavy, and we do it very often in a suite, and we take them out of their comfort zone, and so that nobody else will be involved, no mother-in-law who was there and also having their opinion about it. We take them out of their comfort zone. If they are coming from the south, we take them to the north, and we have 3 intensive days.
Now, I understand so far these 6 hotels that are part of it, these are all in Europe, but you're trying to come over to North America, and I wasn't all that surprised when I heard that you would like to turn this into a reality show. It seems like it was made for reality TV.
It is, and people have mixed feelings when I'm telling them that I want to show it, but the reason that I want to show it is because we have a complete other angle than everybody could ever expect with divorces. We experience such, actually, sometimes positive experiences when they choose for our solution, and I'm convinced that when I can show people how we do it, that we will convince people to do it also with us, and to think in a complete other way, like looking backwards for years or sometimes months in a costly procedure.
How many couples have successfully checked out of the Divorce Hotel, and how many couples have entered and then changed their minds and left?
Nobody changed their mind,
okay.
and sometimes they ask me if they also fall in love again. It will never happen until now, I have to say that. But until now, we did 16 successful divorces in our hotels, and counting, because we are just started for 1 year, and we're getting more and more popular also in the Netherlands, and the next stop will be the US and maybe Canada. I get a lot of reaction from Canada, by the way.
I'm not sure if family law would work that quickly. If I remember correctly, I don't think we can do it in 3 days. I think it takes a number of weeks, but you can try. You never know. The laws can change.
We will see, and if it's possible, we will come. Maybe we'll also come out to you.
Jim Halfens is the creator of the Divorce Hotel. Thanks for your time, Jim, and I'm going to practice my Dutch, and I'm going to say tot ziens to you.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you very much. Tot ziens.
All right, so from...
That means goodbye.
I guess that,
be well,
or thank you.
Sayonara.
So from divorce now to marriage, a different story.
Yes.
Father's Day is coming up.